You know, let's play. Hey yo, it's me, Pinky. Today I'm gonna be playing doors with literally as many anti-modifiers as possible. So to make it as easy as possible, because I'm just trying to beat the fucking game, because I keep dying at the last round. So enjoy the video. This is the last video of October. No, I'm not doing a Halloween special, even though I really wanted to. I just can't be bothered to. I have a couple videos scheduled and November, but yeah. Kick it, fuckers! Oh! No rift. No. Minus. So I can just stack on as many things as I want. No, I like Timothy. I hate you, Timothy. That's everything. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Lights on. Lights on. This actually might be fun. It just says lights, more rooms will be light, like less rooms will be dark. Hope that means, oh. Okay, I didn't mean to. I wanted to buy a lockpick too, but that's, dude, I'm speedy, what the hell? We have to get as much stuff as possible so we actually get something. Godly, you know, he's on break, so. You never see this room for some reason. No, that's not what I meant to do. What's the? Why put a suitcase on the bed? This is also the weirdest hotel in existence. Like, you're walking through people's rooms to get to your room. Bathroom, yeah. Jesus Christ, fuck you. Actually kind of scared the shit out of me. Good job, Doors Dev. Help me get monetized so I can make a keyboard channel. My idea is I'll have this channel that can produce income, which the income will be used to produce keyboards. Well, to make keyboards, which makes keyboard videos, which can produce more income to help both channels. So if I can get 2 channels, that would be awesome. Get a keyboard channel. I really want a keyboard channel. Like Hippie Attack, those people. Yeah. It really hurt my. I went to Good Air yesterday. Here's a video of that. Oh! That felt sick. Oh, I didn't finish my story with the trampoline park. Finish what happened was I was playing dodgeball and it was with a group of my brother's friends. He's older than me. They were all grade 10s, so terrifying scenes. They're playing dodgeball and they're not like the soft foam dodgeballs that they use in school. They're the hard rubber ones that some people use in school. Me personally, I've never used them. But no, stop! Playing dodgeball, I bounced, and when I tried to block a ball, so I had my finger kind of over the ball and in front. I have hyperextended it, and it kind of like, it didn't bend backwards. I mean, it might have, I don't know. Happened really quick. Excuse me, what the fuck? Play that back. What the fuck was that sound? What was that sound? I heard like a tick. So yeah, it kind of, that was 29. He did it for me. Could be Timothy here. Because I didn't put on bug spray. No, I did. So yeah, the dodgeball hit my finger hyperextended and it kind of bent backwards and it hurt. It's all swollen, so I think I sprained it. But it's one of the fingers I use to not only click with like Minecraft, I also use it to play Geometry Dash with because I play with arrow key in most levels because it's just generally easier. Key. I have so much fucking gold. Stop! I'm taking my time. I'm getting all the gold. Flashlight, yes! Guiding light is awesome. Guiding light is a Giga Chad. He is a real one. Guiding light is a real one for that. Oh, it doesn't have a knob. What? I literally didn't walk into the. I just tried to walk past it. No knob. Good adrenaline, but I wonder what a heart rate monitor would look like on this. This isn't a painting, I bet. Oh my god, I'm right. It's almost like I've played this game before. That was a fun bit of lag. Hope that doesn't happen here. Hee hee. I played this with Hoshi. Put TikTok on the screen. Hoshi. Yeah, we played with Slippery. With the slippery thing on. It's 43. Let's fucking go. I'm crazy. Greediness. Was that a... Oh, god damn it. Thanks for that one. What did I lose? Thanks for that one. And what did I lose? Did it skip a few? Time. What time? Quel temps fait-il? It's like 12:50, like 12:55 probably. I don't know if it's evening or afternoon. Probably. It's midnight. Yeah, makes sense. Ooh. What? Huh? How did he know? I'm too cropped up the rhythm games. What if I just popped some pills? BZL. Kill yourself. Hey.
Nigga.
Oh,
Fuck rap, that's all I got at it with a semi-automatic. Who done had it and ready for anybody to buck back. All the catching vibe, ain't no way we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like a chicken slim shady with rabies. I'm foaming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in.
Oh, whoa. Yoink. Now I'm gonna buy this. And since you're the literal best person on this planet, yeet. And take it. There you go. Thanks, blood. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, everyone! What is room 60? I guess we'll find out soon enough. Captain Jack! I really don't want to see him. Not to be rude, but... Not sure what I'm supposed to do. Dude. Is it here? It's here! Yes! Yes! Let me the fuck out! Let me out! That's what that sound is. It's the creaking of metal. No, they're just creepy sounds. Okay, room 65. Room 65. Yes, finally I can use the skeleton key. Damn, what the hell? I need to type one this message. Oh my. Ooh.
What time?
Green herb. Yeah, I wonder what that could be.
Say that word one more time.
Green herb.
This is why I hate Americans.
I'm Canadian.
Same thing. I hate you. What do you mean herb? There's a H in that word.
I made this green herb. Okay. Let's say... Fuck. Fuck you, Screech. Fuck you. It's gonna be ambush, apparently. Well, I'm dead.
Yeah.
Can't afford that. Dude, I'm not trying to invade on your personal space. But you can't keep doing that, man. It's not cool. Killing people isn't cool. Theory! Theory! Yeah! That's just a theory. A game theory. Shut the... But that's just a theory. A game theory! Oh, hi, Rush. I saw him for a little bit. I bet you can guess what this is. Not a painting. Well, taking in the scenery before leaving. Goodbye, everybody. Am I faster than C? I haven't gotten the garden yet. Oh, I spoke too soon. Dude, I'm just gonna take in the... I'm gonna take this in. This is a cool statue. It's like a fallen angel. Let's stay at this hotel. Dun! And the garden, the botanical garden. Jesus Christ. That's so BS. That's so BS. That's so BS. I literally pulled out the...
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point why I love it.